Hey folks, this is Adam from 911. By now you know me and you know you can trust me and that I'm looking out for your best interests. Well, there's a website that I want you to check out because I know you're going to love it. It's called Youth with a Future. So the first question is, what are they and what do they do and why do you need to go check out their website? So let me tell you a little about them. They provide leadership, growth, and development opportunities through hosting conferences, workshops, classes, speakers, mentoring, networking, and group forums. They have workshops, and besides being an incredible learning opportunity, the leadership development workshops cater to young people of all backgrounds. So they need you to get involved. Seriously, our youth cannot grow without you. You need to get involved. You have future doctors, lawyers, scientists, people that are going to be forming the future, and they need you today. It's super simple. Go to ywfleaders.com. From there you can download the app for both iTunes and Google Play. Youth with a Future helps kids who are at risk, helps them graduate high school and reach their full potential. Alright folks, now let me walk you through the app. It's super simple to use. You just download it on your Google device or your iPhone. It's called TLF, Youth with a Future. It's by Subsplash Inc. Once you download it, you can check out the About Us, you can check out all the pages, the blogs, the information, everything about the organization. There's a little click, you can see the page called God Never Abandons Us. It's really awesome. And you know what? Go ahead and make a donation through the app. I think that's a smart decision on your part.